Empowering you with real advice, no BS from the industry experts.
You've probably heard about how Industrial Revolution 4.0 is changing our world. Hi, I'm Ben Ting, your host along with Dr. Ang, the Dean of Engineering in UCSI.
Alright, what's up, Dr. Ang? Straight to the point. First question.
Let's go! Yes, of course. For the young teenager like you, days in, days out, you use this social platform, for example, like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all this and that behind is actually consists of a lot of engineering algorithms. Additionally, for the family members like housewife, they need to know engineering as well because every day they are using the washing machines, rice cookers. Of course, for computer science and computer engineering, in terms of the programming part, they are quite similar. But when it comes to application, they are very different. Let me show you some examples here. Here we have the 3D printers. For engineers, they need to know how to program it. And then they also need to know about the mechanism about the 3D printers. Let me show you another example. This is the drone. Okay, for engineers, they need to know how to program the drones. And also they need to know about the aerodynamics of the drones. As you know, right now we are moving towards to Industrial Revolution 4.0. Actually, there are many new industries are emerging. For example, like additive manufacturing, robotics, and automations. Okay. Furthermore, right now because of this country lockdown, it's also affecting the education. That's why right now we have all these virtual classroom and virtual labs.
Hey guys, now you know that Engineering and Industrial Revolution 4.0 is so relevant to us today. Hope you're empowered by this video. If you have any questions, just ring us up via this hotline. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.